All right, now, what you got there, big baller?
See these are the sky blue AirPod Max with the smart case. Hold on, Yup. This one money look like. I never seen that before.
Go ahead, big baller.
Hold on, let me take
Big
out.
bucks, no whammies.
Yo, fresh.
Oh, they pretty.
Fresh.
The color of them is pretty.
Ooh, you see how it come with the. Hold on, let me.
How much were they?
Actually, Target is having a sale right now, so these was $3.99.
Good Lord, that's a lot of money.
Before tax.
Did it on the payment plan?
Before tax.
If I get these, I'm gonna put them on layaway, girl. I can't afford them.
We don't do that over here. It's all hun buns over here. Smart case. You know, see. Yeah. Got
Too rich for my britches, honey.
Put them in the case.
My headphones cost $40. $40.
Hold on.
Girl.
You see this? Never needed that. Then we have the charger. It takes the iPhone charger, like the regular.
Oh, does it?
Charger. Yeah.
Do they give you a brick or they don't get them out no more?
They don't give them out no more. But for 400 US American dollars, they need to.
Right. They should still always just give you bricks. They be scamming.
See, you charge it right here. You see it?
You
See it lighting up. Yup, that's money.
They ready to go?
Yup, they ready to.
They is ready for action. They cute. I don't want them though.
Yeah. Get your money up. This can be you.
Girl.
See, it say right, left. You see it on the inside?
Girl.
Yup,
I'm pumped.
yup.
Let me see. Let me get a close up on them. Ooh, rich.
Money.